So there's this whole concept of communication, amongst humans. Some, depending on the analysis you look at and you believe, but somewhere between 50 and 75% of communication between humans when they're having a conversation is nonverbal. And we're getting there with machines, right? Like if you enter your password incorrectly, your phone vibrates. So there's a whole emerging set of communications between humans and devices. And what's really interesting to me is throughout history, communication has been a call and response mechanic, right? I say something, you respond, you say something, I respond. But with multimodal, you can be talking to your smartphone or your computer and it's reacting real time. And so now we have this emerging concurrent communication, which really tightens up the communication cycle even more.